If you are looking to download the latest version of Autodesk Fusion in your Macintosh, then you are at right place. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Engineering with Preetham. In this video, we will talk about how one can download the latest version of Autodesk Fusion in their Macintosh. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I am in Autodesk website and I already have logged in. In case we do not have login, what we can do actually in that case is we can click here on sign in, and then after we can click here on create account. Now here what we need to do is we simply need to fill up this form, and then also may require to verify our email, and that's how we can create an account. Since I already have account, so I'm gonna click here on sign in, and now I'm gonna enter my credential. After doing that, what we need to do here is we need to click here on product and then look for Fusion. So in case if you would like to utilize it commercially, you may require to buy it, or you can also quickly get started by having a free 30-day trial of Autodesk Fusion. Since here in our particular case, we will be downloading it as a student. So if you are a student, you simply need to click here on support and then go to educational support, and then here again we will be opening this student product page, not this one. Okay, so there is a difference between this product and this product, because this product is a student one. So let's click on it, and now here you will see the Autodesk Fusion at number 2. So simply click here on select. Now here you can see if you are a student, you can select this option, or if you are an educator, then you can choose this option, which is going to let you invite an entire class with at max 250 number of user seats. And then if you would like to customize it, you can also invite individual student, or you can use a seat for your own personal exploration. So let's click on it, and then we need to click on submit. Now here let's click here on Fusion, and there we go. We have successfully downloaded the Fusion client. Let's double click on it, which will run this Autodesk Fusion installer. Let's again make a double click and open it, and this will install the necessary prerequisite of running Fusion. One thing I would like to tell you about this Fusion installer: Fusion will always require internet because it is a cloud-based platform. So let's wait for the Fusion to get installed. And in this way guys, we can install Autodesk Fusion in our system. Now let me close this, and let's now try to open it. So for that we need to look for Autodesk Fusion in our menu, and there we go. So just click on it, and this will basically open Autodesk Fusion in our Mac. And there we go. Here we can see it is signing us, and then we can see how does this look. So you can start your new project here by clicking on new project, and that's how we can get started. Now let's start with sketch here. Let's choose a plane, and then you can draw the shape. You can further constrain it by providing necessary dimensions like this, and you can also edit them. You also have these different type of constraint option. With the help of home, you can constrain your geometry, and then finally you can click on finish sketch. Now you can do extrude or cut or whatsoever you would like to do. You can also add fillet and so on. And here you can see we have successfully installed the latest Fusion 2025 in Macintosh. And I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering with Preetham to follow more such tips and tricks. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.